Hey, what's going on? One of the biggest questions I get about doing the Eats page and Eats interview is that people are nervous about being on camera. They feel camera shy. They don't feel comfortable on camera, especially doing a Facebook Live. And so I want to share with you 3 things you can do to battle that idea. And I'm going to give you some ideas where you don't have to be on camera at all. And then number 3 is the big one that helped me, and I think it'll help you. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Now, if you don't know what an Eats page is, the idea behind it is it's a way to get in and meet restaurant owners without being salesy. You're reaching out to them and saying, hey, I would like to feature you on my page and give you some publicity. But really what you're doing is building a relationship. You're getting to know them and meet them so they can earn that know, like, and trust. You can earn that know, like, and trust from them. And so that's the point of it. It's getting in and talking to people. How you do it might look different from everybody. What I do is I do a quick Facebook Live where I'm on camera, but I've done lots of them. And you might be saying, okay, I'm nervous being on camera. That's okay. I have you here. We're going to talk about it. So the number one thing you could do is not be on camera. Okay. And so what you could do is, remember the most important thing is that you're meeting the owner and you're talking to them. So instead of doing it like what I do, where I'm on camera, where I'm talking to people, do it where you're just showing the owner. And, with your camera, just have them be on camera and they can be like, hey, I'm Court here. I'm at Court's Cafe. I'm going to show you how we make our famous pancakes, and just have the owner, and you don't ask questions. Just let them do all the talking. It doesn't matter, because what it's all about is meeting them. And if you're building that relationship before and after you do the feature, that's what matters most. That's what matters. The how you do the Eats interview is really secondary. Building the relationship is number 1. So that's the first thing I would do. Another one that I've suggested to people is doing an IG page. Okay, and doing pics. Now, there's influencers out there where what they do is they get paid to come in and do stories or do pictures or videos or whatever at a restaurant. Well, what you can do is use the same model, but what they don't do is they only get paid one time. They only get paid for that one time they come in and do stories. What the Eats page, the idea is to bring them on as a marketing client where they're paying you $500 to $1,000 a month, ongoing, month after month after month. So you're going to be making way more money than an influencer does, because influencers have to go out and find new restaurants to feature all the time. All right. You are going to find, if you get them on as a client, you don't have to go out and do that feature anymore. Now they're paying you for your marketing. So if you're nervous being on camera, reach out to restaurants and say, hey, I have a page called Casey Good Eats, Instagram page, whatever. I would love to come in and just do a feature with you, or do a story or photos of some of your popular items. All right. Again, they will love it. They'll ask, how much is it? You're going to say nothing. It's free. They're going to, and don't worry about, I know you're going to say this, I don't have a lot of followers or whatever. That's okay. It doesn't matter. What matters is building a relationship, getting to know them, having that conversation with them. That's what matters more than anything. This does not work if you just show up and you go to eat there and you take some pictures and then you tag them in the post and hope that they see it. That's not going to work. That's not the point of this. The point of it is to get to know the owner. So if you're going to do this, I would highly recommend you reach out to the owner and say, hey, love to feature you on my page. Is there when's a good time I could come in and take some pictures? Make sure they're there and make sure you start talking to them, because it's going to build that relationship that we talk more about in our coaching program. All right. Number 3, some tough love here is just get out and do it. All right. Just do it. And your first videos are going to be terrible. I look back at my first video and it was awful. You're probably saying, Court, you do videos all the time. Yeah, that's true. But my very first few were awful. I didn't just feel comfortable. It was awkward. When I look back at them, it was just not good. You're going to get better and you're going to just improve as you go, but you're not going to improve. You're not going to get better if you're not taking action. All right. Now I will tell you, this is why I do it as a Facebook Live, because people are more forgiving of live video. They know that you're live and you're going to mess up and there's going to be snafus, right? People are just forgiving of that, especially in a live video. So just do it. Just put yourself out there and just build your confidence. You're going to get better and better and better. Really, again, it doesn't matter how good the feature is. That's really secondary. The number one thing, I've said it 10 times in this video, is that you're building a relationship. That's what matters. It doesn't matter how professional it is or how great it is. Yeah, you want to be professional with them and you want to leave a good impression. Yes, that's true. But focus more on building that relationship. So if you're nervous on camera, here's some ideas how you can do to overcome it. If you're really intrigued by the Eats interview and how it can help you get more clients for your agency, love to have a quick chat with you. I'm going to drop a link below and you can book a quick strategy call where we can just talk about what you're doing in your agency and we can brainstorm ideas. I'll share with you what we're doing in our program. If it seems like a good fit, we can talk more about it and go from there. So hope you're having an awesome day. Get out there, take action, talk to restaurant owners, sign them as clients. Good luck, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.